Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are good. This is Anjali Karki from Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, and you all are welcome in our new vlog. Yes, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, the land of God and Goddess, which is a beautiful state in our beautiful India. Well, today I'm in the court of Guru Gorakhnath. Yes, Guru Gorakhnath, the temple which is dedicated to Lord Gulju, and I will give you so many information about Lord Gulju. So let's go to the main entrance gate of this temple. As I told you, this temple is known as Guru Gorakhnath Temple, which is dedicated to Gulju Maharaj. He is known as the god of justice. There is everywhere the spiritual atmosphere. Everyone is here to vision Guru Gorakhnath. I will give you many more information about that. So let's take a round of this temple. So after taking the round of this temple, I am going to give you information, a short information actually about this temple. As I told you, this temple is Guru Gorakhnath temple dedicated to Gulju, who is also known as Lord of Justice. And as we live in the Kumaon region, as I told you, in Kumaon region, Gulju is famous for the justice. Whoever have any, sadness in their life, so they pray for Gulju and ask for the justice. All the information about this temple it is mentioned here. So I actually don't know the information about this temple, but whatever is mentioned there, that all I'm going to show you. So let's know about this temple. Now I am going to read the information or the story which is based on the Gwal Devta or Golu Devta. As per the local belief, the Katuri king Chalrai had 7 queens. Since he had no child from any of his queens, Chalrai was unhappy. One day, Bhairava communicated the king in his dream that he would take birth in his home as his son. Coincidentally, the king married for the 8th time with Princess Kalika. When she became pregnant, the other queen jealous of her. After the delivery, other queens turned jealous and replaced the newborn with a grand stone and put the newborn in an animal shelter. All 7 queens gave to understand the king and queen that she had given birth to a grand stone. Finding upon the newborn alive in animal shelter, other queen locked him up in an iron box and threw in a river. A poor childless fisherman found that iron box. He took the baby out of the iron box and looked after him. One day, while this child was watering his wooden horse in a pond, 7 queens of the king were present out there, asked curiously if a wooden horse drink water. In reply, the child told that when a queen could give birth to a grand stone, why didn't a wooden horse can drink water? When the king came to know about this, he called the child to his court and heard the entire story from him. He ordered to imprison all her queens for their misdeed. The child requested the king to forgive them. This child became famous as Gwal, Goril, Gulju, Bhairav, incarnate god of justice, and so forth. When grew up, the original temple of Gulju is situated at the Goral Chor in Champawat district. So this is the all information which, which is based on the life of Gulju Maharaj or Goral Devta. So this is the information about this temple. I hope you read this and you will understand why this temple is famous for, or why we people of Uttarakhand and the people of the different region believe in God, Gulju. So yes, I can't take you to the main temple or inside the temple just because cameras and to make videos and to take photos inside the temple it is not allowed to anyone. This is all about our today's vlog. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. We'll meet you soon with a new vlog. Till that, keep watching our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.